do an Orbeez test.
Oh, what vacuum are we going to test with this pool full of Orbeez?
A Bissell spin with his switch.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah.
Let's get it started.
Yeah. Put him.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Look, you can already see them in the garbage compartment. Wow, it's doing a great job. I didn't know how it would do on the lumpy pool surface. Can you hear all those Orbeez squeaking in it? I think it does look full already. Let's look. Oh my gosh, it's totally full.
I can't do that.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And it looks like it didn't bust any of the Orbeez. They all stayed whole. Oh, it's so wet and goopy. Oh my gosh.
It's slimy.
It is slimy.
It's slimy. Orbeez. It's very slimy. So put it in there. This way he's gonna get all this Orbeez. I think he's hungry.
He is hungry. He's eating all those Orbeez.
Is he squeaking it?
He is squeaking them.
I swear he's squeaking.
Oh, here comes Cillian to play with the Orbeez. Come on, Cillian.
Here's squeaking Orbeez.
Come play with the Orbeez.
He's squeaking. And my pants on.
No, we're going to leave our shirt and our pants on because we're making a video, buddy.
Look at this. Robot grabbing. Is it cool?
It is cool.
Check the bin.
Is it cold? Is it full?
Empty the bin.
Oh my goodness, there's so many Orbeez in there. Wow.
There's a few.
Quite a few. Quite a few Orbeez in there. Oh, now they're starting to break up. I see some Orbeez pieces in there now. Here, hold it up for the camera. Hold it up. See those Orbeez pieces? It's starting to break them up. Yeah.
It's 10 tall, Mom.
You can do it, baby. You can get in.
It's 10 tall.
It is kind of cold.
It's
Brr.
cool. It's supposed to be away. I'm kind of going in. This is a brand new one. It's on iron. It's like unicorn. Look at it. It's gonna bunch of Orbeez. Orbeez. Oh, it's getting all that Orbeez. Wow. So can we open the Orbeez up?
It's doing a great job.
I always wash the dirt of it. This is a cool one. Or it's cleaner. This is the clean. This is the cleaner or the Orbeez. It's a finish of it. It's a finish this test. This test is cool.
It is a good test.
It's finished of it that Orbeez is quite finished. Quite a bit Orbeez here. Quite a bit. Quite a bit. It's quite a bit in here. I think.
Let's see, Adam. Bring it over here. Wow, it's chock full.
Let's see the brushes. We see
How did they look? Is it all squished in there? Look at all those squished Orbeez. Whoa! Oh my goodness. That's crazy.
It's quite a bit.
That is quite a bit stuck in there.
Is it so?
There's even some stuck in the side brush here.
You can't throw them at me.
Just throw them in the pool, honey bunny. Do you have Orbeez gunk all over your hands? Oh my goodness. This is a messy job, isn't it? Maybe we should start dumping the Orbeez in the trash so it can actually make some progress. Do you want to dump that in the trash? Oh my goodness.
Make the progress of it.
Yeah, let's make some progress. Can you go dump the trash, that trash thing in the trash? Hey, Cillian, you may throw the Orbeez, but please keep them in the pool. I would really appreciate that. Keep them in the pool, love. Boards. Whoa, so many Orbeez. Oh my goodness. I wonder if the Bissell can clean up all of the Orbeez. We're going to see if he can get every single one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every single Orbeez off the food. See if we get it. See if we get it all.
See if he can get all of them out of the pool. Let's see. He's doing a pretty good job so far.
I think it's doing it.
It sure is making funny noises. He's sucking up all the Orbeez.
He's sucking up all these Orbeez.
All those Ords.
He's getting every single one. See the progress in here?
Yeah, look at that. That little area is clean.
This area is so green. This area is green. That's all he's here. He's going to get them all.
Wow, I can't believe what a good job he's doing, really.
I think he's doing them all. He's doing the Orbeez test. He's doing a little bit of progress here. Like this one.
Look at him. He's going very systematically, back and forth in rows.
He's squeaking on the Orbeez.
He is squeaking. I think maybe he might be full because he's not picking up as many when he goes by. So let's see. Is his trash full?
Yeah. He's gonna throw Orbeez at me.
Oh, I see that. Okay, let's empty that in the trash.
See the progress.
He's making great progress.
He's making great progress here. He's doing great progress.
Whoa. That's a lot of Orbeez. Oh my goodness. The trash can's full of them. Great. It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're just going to fill it up with Orbeez again. We'll clean out the Bissell really well at the end, okay?
It's empty now.
Empty. Let's do some more. Let's see if we can get every single Orbeez out of the pool.
Out of the pool fishy. It's kind of like a pool fishy.
It is a little pool fishy.
He's doing the progress.
It's great progress. That little quarter of the pool is pretty clear. That's a big pile. Oh, so good. The whole pile's gone. Great job, Bissell. Wow. This is a very impressive robot vacuum.
You can't throw them at me.
Please don't throw them at the Bissell. Cillian. Cillian, baby. We respect our robot vacuums here. Thank you.
You get them wet.
Yes, the Bissell can get wet because it's a robot vacuum and a robot mop. So that's why we're using it for the Orbeez test, because we think it'll still be okay.
Great.
Yeah, we don't want the other ones to break, so we're using the Bissell for this test.
I found this one. Ton of Orbeez in that one. I think he's got a ton of them.
Yeah?
I think he's getting bit progress here.
He's making great progress.
I think he's full. I think he's very full now.
He probably is. Let's see. Oh, yep. Chock full. Let's go dump him.
It's a bit full here.
He's a bit full.
It's a lot of job.
It's a big job.
It's a yellow one. So, do have brown.
Wow. You hear that plop they make? They're like... It's kind of gross. Great job. All right, let's get some more.
Where's Bissell? You could break the Bissell vacuum.
For the Clark. Okay, let's go, Bissell. It's doing really well. Look how much progress it made already. Thank you, Cillian. It's very nice. Yeah, it's a lot of progress. Here he goes. He is squeaking them.
Is he quacking like a doggy?
He kind of is.
Progress here. Don't get me, Bissell.
He's kissing you.
Is he kissing me?
He's kissing you.
Is he kissing me? Kiss me. Kiss me, Bissell. More for that.
You gonna give some more? Okay, not on top of him. There you go, right in front. Perfect.
This is the one for him.
Okay.
The one for and you don't cry. He's doing
He might be full again. It looks like he's not really picking up anymore.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is it full? Yep. Totally full.
Totally full. This might be full of words. It's a lot of words. It's snowy.
It's snowing words.
It's snowing words. It's snowing words in the trash can. It's empty. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Cillian. Good thing he's hungry. This is a big robot vacuum meal. Mm-hmm. Let's see, is there a lot on the brushes? Just a little bit. I think it's okay. Hey, when you do that, it takes them out from inside the trash compartment. So maybe you should empty the trash compartment before you do that. Ooh. You're gonna crash them? Okay, just keep them in the pool, okay?
Oh,
All right.
totally
Totally full again. It sure fills up fast, huh?
filled up fast as it can. It's bunch of snow.
Yeah, there's the Orbeez snow.
It's more snow coming.
Great job. I think you did it.
It's snowy. No. Do this. Feel the look. I just cleaned them up. I just emptied them. Pick it up. There it is. This one is clean it. Chicken noodles. Is he getting all these words?
You think so? He's getting them all.
Is he getting the progress done?
He's making a lot of progress. So he's gotten pretty much all of the Orbeez in the middle. It's just all the Orbeez at the sides that he still hasn't gotten yet. So maybe you could scooch them in from the sides to the middle so he has an easier time. That's good. That's helping him. He's kissing you. Yeah, he is getting them from the corners with the side brush. He's doing a good job. It's just kind of like the pool goes down there, so it's even harder to get it. It's not even a flat surface. It's kind of tricky with the pool. But I think he's doing a tremendous job. I have no complaints.
Is he getting all that? Now we'll stop. Is he running a lot of time? Is he running? Looks like he's getting dead. Is he getting dead?
I hope not. I think he still has a lot of battery left. He has a pretty decent battery, right? What, Cillian?
To find the toys of the Orbeez, Mom.
Can I find the cars in the Orbeez?
Yeah.
I don't think there's any cars in the Orbeez. Oh, those are cars? Pretend cars.
They're not cars.
He's pretending.
Are they balls?
They're balls. Or spheres. Are they Orbeez spheres? Okay, it's probably time to empty the trash again. What do you think?
Oh, is that a lot of?
That is a ton. A ton of Orbeez.
Let's make it the cleaner.
Oh, we're all out of whipped cream, buddy, hun. Ew, that's such a wet plopping sound. Gross.
Snowy. More. Empty.
Empty.
Empty the bin. Empty the bin.
You're gonna sit there? All right. Okay, let's get some more out from the edges for him.
No, you can do it with the side brush.
Oh, okay, he can do it with his side brush. Yes? He's doing a great job. He is. Let's see. Let me look at his bin from behind. Oh. Oh, it's looking pretty good. It's a lot of smaller pieces now that we're getting down to the wire.
We're getting great progress.
Yeah, we are making great progress.
I watched chocolate eggies. I didn't watch chocolate eggies, Mom.
Yeah, is that what you've been watching on YouTube recently? Is chocolate eggies? They're the Cadbury egg. Going goo, 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 goo.
Yes, it's a goo, 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 goo. I think it's all done.
I think so.
Yes, now we order these. They're so weird. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna keep trying to pull the pool so it's not quite as wrinkly as we go. Because he's having trouble with the wrinkles. He thinks they're like a wall. Yes, he is doing a great job with those side brushes. See, he thought that was a wall. These wrinkles, man.
They're in the bin. Is there in the bin forever?
Mm-hmm.
There. Trash can.
Yeah, see, he's stuck at that wrinkle there.
I think he's doing a great job.
He is doing a great job. He made it. He made it into the corner. Man, he's getting all gunky. Look at all that Orby guts on him. Great job, Bissell.
Good job, Bissell.
He's in the thick of it. He's in the corner. Here he goes. Great job. He's making a lot of progress. Look at that. It's tons better in that little corner. Okay. Here he comes again.
Here comes again.
Where's he going? He can't make up his mind. He's like, there's so many Orbeez, so little time.
They're in the bed. They're in the bed, Mama.
They are.
Do this when I do chocolate eggies on my iPad.
I think it's funny when you start squeaking.
Start squeaking. Because he can start squeaking. He's getting a lot of Orbeez.
Wow. Very impressive.
Get the progress done.
He is. He's making great progress. He's figured out the octagon or whatever this thing is. I think he's totally figured it out. He's like, I got it. I thought it was a living room. I didn't realize I was in a swimming pool. Now I understand.
Is he getting all the Orbeez? He's getting all the Orbeez
He
here?
is. He's getting all the Orbeez.
Is he getting the progress done?
He is. He's making great progress.
Like this? We're doing a real test today.
Yeah, it's a big test. Bissell's going to be tired after this. We're going to give him a spa bath, too. The present? No, thank you. We're going to leave it up there. Watch out, Kelly. You're kind of in the way. Please don't throw them at him, honey bun. Just throw them in the pool. Don't throw them at Adam or the Bissell, lovey. He's going around the circle again. Great job, Bissell. How does he know? How does he know where the Orbeez still are? He's brilliant.
So, where's he gonna throw? He found the Orbeez at me.
I think maybe the bin is full again. What do you think? Let's see.
It's tired.
Whoa, yep, totally full.
I'm tired. I'm probably gonna watch iPad.
You're gonna watch iPad after this?
I'm gonna do robot versions.
To recuperate?
I'm tired of doing robot versions before I watch my iPad. I'm tired. I can't watch iPad.
Well, let's help Mr. Bissell get the rest of the Orbeez, and then we'll be all done, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, put that back in.
Are we doing the progress done?
Oh, yeah, we're making great progress.
There's a few more.
There's a few more left.
So wait, Adam.
Please don't throw those at humans, robots, or animals, okay?
You gonna throw the rabbits?
Yes, Bissell's a robot.
Can we get in the way of the Bissell's in the way now?
Nope, he's turning around.
In the way.
is doing a great job cleaning.
He's getting the rest of Orbeez out. He's getting a lot of Orbeez.
What do you think if I lifted up the sides to put all the Orbeez in the middle? Would that be all right, Adam?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Yum, 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 yum. Yahoo! Are you going around? You can say Yahoo. Silly.
You. Yahoo!
There we go. That'll be a little easier. You did do a great job in the middle, though. Hey, Cillian. I got it. It's all right. Mommy does that part. Hey, I'm going to scoot over this bowl a little bit. Adam, do you mind getting out for a second? Hey, we don't throw at humans, animals, or robots. He does have a lot of power. He is impressive. Mama is impressed. I'd say of all the robot vacuums you got for Christmas, the Bissell's probably the best bang for your buck. Because you get the vacuum and the mop, and it does a really good job. As long as you're willing to empty the bin yourself, it's just fine. Yeah, it's both.
Is this robot vacuum has switch?
I think it does have a switch, doesn't it? You have to switch a switch to turn it on.
Off.
And off, yeah.
Else the robot vacuum. My brother. There's switch too. The clock that is the one switch in my brother. For the video, us doing the vacuum video.
So good? Am I doing a good job recording?
It's making mop roll this one. Is it doing a lot of job?
It's doing a great job. It's getting all the edges now.
Oh,
How'd this bowl move over so much?
it's doing much job.
It's really close. It's basically got all the edges. We just have to get all the Orbeez in the middle now, again. Here, I think it's going to go back and forth again now.
It's going back and forth.
I'm sorry, what, Kelly?
I think it's getting a lot more.
It sure is.
What's that one button?
Uh-huh. What's that button do?
Clean.
Yeah, that's the clean button. It turns it on and it turns it off.
Or spot cleaning one.
Uh-huh.
And this has the red one. It has to go home.
Mm-hmm. Look, he's getting all the edges now. It's amazing.
I think he's getting the water.
Oh, I like that. That looks really cool. Okay, you want to empty his bin again? And then we'll put him when and then whenever we put it back in, let's put him towards the middle so he gets the rest of them. Yeah, yeah. You're driving cars?
We are trapping cars. We're trapping cars, Mom.
Wow.
We're trapping cars.
You're trapping cars? Wow.
We are trapping cars, Mom. We are trapping cars. Are we all done?
Let's put that bin in and have it go in the middle to get the rest of the Orbeez. And then once it gets those ones in the middle, I think maybe you should show everybody how to switch it to the mop attachment and fill it up. And we'll have it mop the pool to get all the nasty Orbeez guts out, right? Yeah?
We are trapped, Mom.
You're trapped?
We are trapped.
Look at that. Mm-hmm. Okay, Adam, do you want to guide him toward those Bissells in the, those Orbeez in the middle again? Can you steer him the right way, buddy? Can you show him where the Orbeez are in the middle? He's making great progress. Here, can you turn him around so you can get those ones? Can you help him out? Here he goes. Nope, changed his mind. Can you help Mr. Bissell get these ones? Can you turn him the right way, honey? Help him get those ones. Thank you.
We are trapping cars, Mama.
Yeah. What is he doing? Wrong way, Bissell.
He changed his mind.
He changed his mind. Get the Orbeez, silly. He must be tired. He's like, I've eaten so many Orbeez. I'm sick of Orbeez. Can I please have some mac and cheese instead? Okay, there's one more pile right here. Come on, Mr. Bissell.
We are trapping cars, Mom.
Yeah, you're trapping cars.
We are trapping cars.
Oh, I don't think so. You're going to have to help him.
He changed his mind.
Okay. There we go. That looks great. Awesome. All right, so I think you did a pretty decent job. There's probably only like 20 Orbeez left.
We are trapping cars.
So why don't you empty them out again?
We are trapping cars, Mom.
And then we'll show everybody how to switch him to the mop attachment, okay?
We are trapping cars.
Yeah.
We're trapping cars.
Oh, oopsies. You dumped him in the pool.
That's okay.
That's okay.
We can mop him. You can mop him.
Yeah.
Dump this out. I just spilled it. Let's take it out.
Okay. Great job. All right, so we're gonna pause the video for now. I'm gonna clear out the rest of the Orbeez in the pool, and then we're gonna put his mop attachment on for everybody, and he can mop the pool, get all the Orbeez guts. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we've gotten the mopping attachments.
Yeah.
We're gonna fill it up at the sink and show you how. So why don't you climb up onto the stool, honey bun? Okay, set it down. We don't have much counter space here because mommy needs to do dishes, but that's all right. Good, so you unscrew it to unlock it. And then here, you put it under the sink. Oops. Okay, so there are these lines on the side right here. You fill the water till the water line, and then you put in a little bit of the cleaner. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Great job holding that.
Turn off,
Turn it off?
Mama.
Sure. Okay, put it back on the counter. Awesome. So we almost made it to the water line. So we're just gonna put the formula up to the water line because that's about how much.
That's a water.
Yeah, so here, let me unscrew the lid. Here we go. You wanna help me pour? Very gentle, okay? Here we go.
Erosion.
This is like soap. It's very gentle. It smells so good. We've actually been using the Bissell formula for a while because we have a vacuum mop that we've been using ever since baby Cillian was a real baby and throwing his food all over the floor. So it's a regular part of our house. So we're excited to have this as a new family member, right? You excited the Bissell Spinwave is our new family member?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put this on the robot vacuum and that's the mop for a little bit.
Okay.
Put this on
So you
there.
attach this on the same way you attach the garbage one. Just slide it on up.
And you press clean.
And you press clean. So I cleaned out a lot of the Orbeez guts, but there's still a lot of Orbeez pieces in here. And then like Orbeez have this sticky jello-like residue. So I'm hoping that the Bissell will do a pretty good job cleaning out that residue.
Yeah.
So when we use this pool again in the summer, it's not all gooky, right?
Yeah.
Looks like we put on the mop pads just a smidge crooked, but they're doing just fine. Adam did that by himself.
You know what this Orbeez got?
Yeah, so it still works the same way. The front spinny brushes suck in the stuff, and then the inside brush turns it into the compartment with the water. And I'll show you at the ends. There's probably going to be a few Orbeez guts in there.
It's going to show you the progress.
Adam used this to mop our house the other day, and it did a really good job. It got up any like random things that were down, though it does leave a pretty wet residue. So I suggest doing it when you're not going to walk around on it for a while, probably at least 10 minutes. But nobody slipped and fell, so it's not that bad.
I can show you the progress.
I'm going to open my seltzer here. Oh, it got stuck a little bit. Look, all the soap bubbles in there. Can you see that? So it's doing a good job. It's okay, it just got a little stuck, I think, in the wrinkles of the pool. Yeah, send it that way. You see those soap bubbles? It's cleaning up the pool.
Clean up this dirty pool. Look at it mopping. Look at this mop. No, it's not. That sounds noisy. Is that a noise?
So you can see its movement patterns a little bit different for mopping mode. Is he stuck? I think so. See if you can help him. Oh, you know why? Because the swimming pool kind of got off the green carpet. So the green carpet's underneath, kind of making a lip for him to go up on. It's okay. Just push him forward a little bit. There you go.
You see
That part's really clean. Yeah, you see those little spinny brushes?
He spit that. He spit the whole place. He spit. That's spin this. It's spin this. It's spin the other too.
Yeah, it keeps getting stuck where the green carpet is, I think. I think that's the problem. Silly green carpet.
Look at the green pad. Is it pad? I make the bed spin. I think it's going backwards.
Yeah?
Like take 7. This pool is looking clean.
Yeah, I think it's doing pretty good. It just has to get this corner over there, and then I think it's all done. And I'll just go in there with, I think, some paper towels to get the rest of... Oh, are you all done with your cheese doodles? Okay. It looks like you need some wipes for your hand. Hey, Adam, could you go get some wipes real quick for Cillian's hand? Or do you want to keep doing the video while I get the wipes? Here. Here, you hold the phone. Keep that on the Bissell spinway while I go get the wipes, okay? Good job. Hey, watch your fingers. They're kind of in front of the camera. There you go. All right, keep that on the Bissell spinway. We'll be right back.
I think it's sitting. Wow, it's doing a great job in here. I think it's doing a great job. Is this the one?
Okay, I see your fingers again. Can you move your fingers? Yeah, good job.
See, it's water thing.
I'm gonna pull the pool back up so that you can try it.
The mop mode.
That way he won't have trouble with the hump anymore. It's not his fault. Weird hump.
Oh. Here's the Bissell spin where I spin this pad. You see it? It isn't removed. It's easy. I put clothes under the Bissell.
Yeah, you did a close-up. Wow, he's doing a fantastic job. I'm very impressed. This is only like $200
I think he's all done.
I think he's all done. Here. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Try it at home with your Bissell Spin Wave and
Try
Orbeez.
home and you Bissell and you.
You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.